Every 2016 Honda CRV came with a 2.4 liter VTEC engine, and they would have been delivered with either 4 NGK or 4 Denso spark plugs from the factory. This is the long version of both of those part numbers, and this is the short version of those part numbers. You might see it listed both ways. And the NGK at your local parts store is going to run $35. And the Denso is going to run $27. I don't care what store you go to. This is what they're going to cost. The reason these are so expensive and what makes them different from all the other options that you may see listed for your vehicle, which I do not recommend, is this is what they call a dual fine tip iridium. Okay, if you look, there's a fine tip on both the center electrode, and there's also a fine tip on the ground strap. Okay, standard iridiums will not have the fine tip on the ground strap, only on the center, and then the other plugs will have a variety of different ends. But this is supposedly the best available spark, longest durability, pretty much everything about this is the top of the line spark plug. Okay, so if you put one of the other options in, you're putting in less than you had originally. These are supposed to last about 100,000 miles, okay, approximately. Now, people often ask this question: how long should I go before I change my spark plugs? These original Densos last 28,200 miles in this vehicle. Okay, sometimes it's more about age and lack of use than it is about how many miles you actually have on a vehicle. I drove about 1.5 miles in this vehicle, completely stranded me on the side of the road. The engine shut down, the check engine light came on, the tire pressure monitor light came on, the electric power steering light came on, the traction control light came on, the ABS light came on. All of this because I had a bad spark plug. Okay, the actual check engine light showed a P304. All right, this is my whole problem. The car had definitely a little bit of a noticeable miss at idle, but it never got a check engine light until that day. So replacing them is super easy. You need a 10 millimeter and preferably a 14 millimeter spark plug socket. This will have the proper insert in the bottom that will hold on to your spark plug so you can take it out and place it back in there without dropping the spark plug. Do not drop these spark plugs down into that long hole and hit the end. They're pre-gapped. You'll hit the end of this ground strap and you're going to change the gap between your electrodes. Okay. Now, for me, $35 a piece, $27 a piece is a pretty hard pill to swallow. It's pretty expensive for a stupid spark plug. It turns out that NGK is actually came up with an even newer version, even better than the originals. Okay. It is called Ruthenium. And this is the part number, a long part number and the short part number, just like before. And these only cost $16 at the local parts store. And they're supposed to be better in every single measurable way than the original NGK plugs. Okay, this is according to NGK. So same thing, they're a dual fine tipped, but now made out of ruthenium instead of iridium, I guess. Whatever the hell ruthenium is, I do not know. And they're also pre-gapped as well. For half the money, I put 4 of these spark plugs in this vehicle, and my goodness, the idle is just perfect. It's silky smooth. There's tons of power to this engine. It's like it's brand new again. I mean, it's only got 28,000 miles, so it should be running like that, but it runs absolutely perfect. Okay, so anybody wondering, this is a better replacement than the original. Okay, save yourself quite a bit of money. All right, this is no joke. This is what the cost was paid at the local store, $68.28 for 4 spark plugs. I could have only bought 2 of the NGKs and about 3 of the Densos for that same amount of money. So save yourself some dough, put in a better plug, all right? These work great, all right? Appreciate everybody watching. See you next time.